Good afternoon, this is Brad Langdon, MarineMax Lake Norman. This morning I'm going to show you a 2023 Harris 250 Solstice. Let's start back here with the engine. You got a 300 horsepower Mercury outboard. You have a tow bar for water sports. You also have your swim seat back here for lounging. Two fender holders back here. You have an SL layout here with a reversible seat back. Very comfortable, very nice. This seat also has a cooler built in. Moving forward, you have a stadium style seating. You have lit up speakers and cup holders. Very nice lighting package on this boat. You have a raised helm, a high back chair, your digital throttle and shift, backlit easy to push button toggles for all your switches, your JL audio control, and your two 9-inch screens for your Simrads. Moving forward, I'll show you your entertainment center right here. A built-in sandwich style deal here. Up front you have your two long couches, in-floor storage, a very nice table that's removable, and a forward door to get in and out. If you want to come by and see us at Lake Norman MarineMax, stop by and see us. Thank you.